All right, today we're jumping into something that is completely changing the game for small businesses: artificial intelligence. Now, if you've ever thought that AI was just for the big guys, the giant corporations with these massive budgets, you're going to want to stick around. We're about to show you how it's become the ultimate secret weapon for entrepreneurs just like you. Let's get into it.
So, first things first, let's get real about what it's like running a small business. You're juggling a million things at once, right? It feels like a constant, never-ending balancing act.
Does this sound familiar? You're the CEO, you're the head of marketing, the lead salesperson, and the entire customer support team all rolled into one. I mean, it can be totally overwhelming. And yeah, these are the big four hurdles, aren't they? You're working with super tight budgets, you don't have a huge team to back you up, the clock is always ticking, and it feels like bigger competitors are just around every corner. This is the daily grind for so many of us. But what if there was a way to finally level that playing field? Well, that brings us to a huge misconception, a myth, really, that holds so many people back from even trying. For years, there's been this idea about who can actually use powerful tech like AI. We've all heard this one, right? Maybe we've even thought it ourselves. This idea that AI is some crazy, complex, super expensive thing that's only for the tech giants. It's an intimidating thought, for sure, but thankfully, it's also completely out of date. The game has totally changed. What was once locked away in corporate research labs is now, well, it's right at your fingertips. And it's more affordable and way easier to use than you could ever imagine. Okay, so what are we really talking about here? Let's just strip away all the hype. At its core, AI is just about creating smart tools. Tools that can analyze stuff for you, spot patterns, and handle tasks, often with way more speed and accuracy than any human could. It's not science fiction anymore. It's a practical, everyday business tool.
So, here's the crucial point. AI isn't just a fancy trend. It is your new secret weapon. Let's look at exactly how it helps you crush those challenges we just talked about.
And look at how this lines up perfectly. Remember that feeling of constant time pressure? AI saves you a ton of time by automating all those boring, repetitive tasks. That limited budget? Well, it helps reduce your operational costs. And that increasing competition? It helps you compete by making smarter, data-driven decisions that your customers will love. You know, this quote just nails it. For a small team, or heck, even a team of one, this is the ultimate force multiplier. It empowers you to punch way, way above your weight class. All right, enough theory. Let's get practical. We're going to go on a quick tour of some of the incredible AI tools that you can start using, like today, for the most important parts of your business. Let's kick things off with marketing, because let's be honest, this is a huge time suck for so many of us. This is one area where AI is an absolute game changer. Just think about this for a second. You've got something like ChatGPT that can literally brainstorm a month's worth of content ideas for you. Then you have Canvas AI that can design on-brand graphics from just a simple sentence, no designer needed. And MailChimp's AI can actually tell you the perfect time to send an email to get the most opens. It's amazing. And that, right there, is the magic. It's all about turning hours of tedious, draining work into a task that takes just a few minutes. That is a massive advantage.
All right, next up, sales. How can AI help you find and connect with more customers and do it way more efficiently?
I mean, tools like these are total game changers for your sales pipeline. HubSpot's AI can actually predict which of your leads are most likely to buy, so you know where to focus your energy. A chatbot from Tidio can be on your website 24/7, grabbing new leads even while you sleep. And Apollo's AI can help you write personalized outreach emails that people actually open and reply to. It's like having a sales assistant who never takes a break. Okay, let's move on to something absolutely critical: keeping your customers happy. We all know that amazing support can make or break a small business, but it is so hard to be available all the time. You know, platforms like Zendesk or Freshdesk use AI to do some amazing things. Their smart chatbots can provide instant answers to common questions, even in the middle of the night. This means your customers get help right when they need it, which builds incredible loyalty, and it frees you up to focus on the bigger, more complex problems. All right, so you've seen the potential. It's exciting, right? But the big question is, where do you even begin without getting totally overwhelmed? Well, it's actually way simpler than you think. Just follow this simple 5-step guide. It's your roadmap. Don't go chasing whatever tool is trendy this week. No. Instead, figure out your single biggest headache. Is it writing content? Is it following up with leads? Start there. Then try out some free versions, pick platforms that are easy to use, and see if it's actually saving you time or money. Then, and only then, do you commit. And this is super important. Try to avoid these common traps. Please don't try to use 10 new tools at once. Just start with one. Learn the basics, master it, and track your results. Remember, AI is a powerful tool, but it's not a magic wand. You have to put in a little bit of learning to get the big results. So as we start to wrap this up, I want this one idea to really stick with you. This isn't about getting ready for something that's coming in 5 or 10 years. The revolution is already happening. It's here, right now. This should be your mantra. The businesses that are going to win are the ones that adapt. You don't need a huge budget. You don't need a team of engineers. You just need to be willing to take that first small step. So it all comes down to this. And this question is for you. AI is giving you a chance to save time, to cut costs, and to compete in a way you never could before. The tools are here. The opportunity is now. The only question left is, are you ready to grab it?